Hey, this is Miss Jennifer, and it is time to do another mantra card. Now, just to review quickly, a mantra is something that you say to yourself to help improve your mood and put yourself in a positive frame of mind. And somehow I missed this card, so I want to go back and do it. It says, my brain is like a muscle that grows. So that's what we need to learn is sometimes some of us think, oh, I can't learn this. It's too hard. But you know what? Your brain is always changing. And the more you learn, the more you can learn. So this is a good reminder that we are all becoming. So let's analyze this statement. So when we're saying my brain, well, I could draw me. I could draw my brain. I could draw my brain in my head. There's lots of ways I could do it. And then it says a muscle. Well, a lot of times people, show this muscle, like their hand. That's not a very good hand, is it? Okay. There we go. So like a big muscle here. You could do that. What I chose to do is draw a brain with things growing in it. So I think we can look at clip art to see how to draw a brain. And usually it looks pretty much like that. It's just kind of a pink blobby thing. And it usually has little things that move in it like this. They say the more wrinkles you have in your brain, the more knowledge you have in there. Okay, so this time I am going to do something like this. I'm going to have the brains growing. Just to do something a little different this time. I'll have the brains growing up towards the sun. And that's what my card's going to look like. Now, we are using markers today. And let me go ahead and put this here. And so if I have it growing, I definitely want it to look like it is growing a lot. So I'll have different brains here. And it's anything that your mind can come up with. Now, your words are already on this card. Now, if you don't have a card, you can get a template from the show notes. Let's see. And here's another brain. I'm looking at the clip art online. And this is the top of a brain. Wow, pretty cool, huh? And I'm going to keep going like this. Filling my space full of brains. Very weird, right? Well, a lot of times people say artists are weird. So here we go. A little bit weird. The main thing is it's an illustration of the concept. That's important. And if it helps you remember it, well, then that's great. All right. One more brain here. Now this one has eyes on it. Let's do that. Like an alive brain. And then I can give, now this right here is what's called a horizon line. A lot of kids will put it down here, but this means all these are in the ground. So this is the ground, and this is the sky. So I'm going to go ahead and put my little sun here. And I'm going to draw a big cloud here so this guy can show up pretty good. How's that? Okay. Filled the space really well. I'm going to grab my black pen and I'm going to outline. Now, this is kind of a weird drawing. I just thought I'd do it. And you may like my first one better. And you know what? You don't have to love every one you do. And the fun part is these are so small and easy and quick. If you don't like yours, guess what? Just do it again. Make another one. That's what I do. And sometimes I end up with a lot of these because I do the ones I do with you here on the video, and then I do ones that I do with my students. And so, you know, I get a lot of them. And so you never know which one I'm going to like the best. I really like the one I already did, so I didn't want to do the same one. So I just thought I would change it up to do something a little silly. Don't be afraid to be silly. And if you want to make like your muscle one, so what you want to do is just think about what the words are and what you could put on there that's going to, you know, connect to the words. The drawing should connect to the words. That's the main thing. And this definitely does, because I have brains growing out of the ground, which if you did see this, you probably would go running right now. But it's kind of funny. All right, I'm going to try to make sure that this one looks kind of like a brain. The shape of a brain. There we go. All right. Very nice. Now, does anybody know what color brains are? Yes, you're right. Pink. Now, I've never seen a real brain. Well, maybe I have. Not a human brain anyway. But they're kind of pink. I think when they're alive. If they're not alive, then they're kind of gray. But we're going to go with pink here for these brains. And then, of course, we've got the plants. Just giving a little grass here to fill it in. Uh-oh, phone is ringing. Can't take that right now. All right, now making sure this is dry, I'll hit it with my eraser. Whoa, careful, Jen. Now these, I forget, these ones here are just on printer paper, so they're not that strong like the good drawing paper that I would usually use for my art cards. Now don't forget to give yourself a horizon line. Even if you have an indoor scene, you definitely want to have something in the back to separate the ground from the back of the wall. And it could be the back of the room. And it will lock your item in space. Okay, I'm loving it. Now, these are my colors. I don't have a pink. Daggone it. Let me see. Here's a pink. Nope. It's red. What am I going to do? Oh, well. Maybe I could use a highlighter. So, we are using marker this time, and I'm going to go around the edges. Can you see? And this, having the darker area on the outside will help it look a little more 3D. Casting shadows in these crevices. And I know I have done the highlighter one before. If you have a pink marker, you could use that if you have a brain on yours. And if you don't have one, you can use red. It doesn't matter. So I'm going to use red. I'm going to use green. And I think on the inside here, I will just add some yellow. Since these are so small. Now you can do that on the stem. You can do the outline green and the inside yellow, and it would look really good. But since this is so small, I don't really have room unless I was working with a small tip marker, which is possible, right? Like you can do it however you need. Now I'm adding this green down here But I don't want to color in the whole background, because if I do, then I'm going to lose those stems and everything that I've got drawn. So maybe I'll just draw the grass in the front and a little bit back here. And, ooh, I like it so far. Now, I'm not sure what I'm going to do here. Maybe nothing. Let me come in here with this pink. Now, so far, I have red and green and pink. Now, pink is actually a tint of red, so I don't have to count that as a third color. So I could go ahead and stay with the red here for the sunshine. And I'm going to put a little bit of yellow. So this would be a new color I'm adding. But it's really just kind of blending in the green here. I'm going to blend in the red here. And finally, I'm going to hit it with my blue for the sky. And that will be the end of this little card. Now remember, mantras are little sayings that you want to memorize. And remembering that your brain, even if you're having trouble remembering something, you can always do what we did on our wiggle card. You get up, move, come back later, and then you're going to be refreshed, and you'll be able to think a little more clearly. When we get stressed and we worry too much, then we can't think as well. So there's lots of tricks, but remembering that your brain is always growing, always, then it's very helpful to not get discouraged, because you can just know that your brain is growing as we speak. And now I can make some decisions here. I think I'll go ahead and color this all in blue, because it's light enough that black will still show through. Okay, and maybe I will just go right here with this green. See how that easy it is when you use that side? And then there is my card. So my brain is like a muscle that grows. And here's my other one. Now don't forget, you do want to fill out your card on the back with your title, your artist. The info is what you made it out of. You want to number it. And don't forget the date. I hope you enjoyed making this artist trading card with me. And I'll see you again next time. Bye!